Hi, I'm Volkan. As every teacher who has received training at university, I have learned all those methods and techniques after I had started my professional life. I remembered something I had read before. A predetermined method or approach might be an essential starting point for an inexperienced teacher, but the teacher will start to develop an individual approach or a personal method of teaching as he gains experience. This should be one that draws on an established approach, but it should be also reflect the teacher's their own beliefs, values, and opinions, principles, and experience. Take the Richard English 2002 in Approach and Method in Language Teaching. Therefore, I have developed a collective approach to go on my teaching career, and successfully, of course. And however, every year a new technique or method is introduced, and we need to catch up with them. Students are so updated that teachers have to follow the technology and innovate in all areas that interact with both sides in education. To talk about my professional future for this profession, I'm glad that I have decided to be an English teacher in my country. I feel that I help people, students and my colleagues beyond to see beyond the walls and have the chance to express themselves. The best thing about my job is that I enjoy doing this, communicating and showing people something new, encouraging them and helping them. And in my opinion, no individuals can live independently. In society, we depend on each other. Some produce and some consume. And I consider myself in the production part. I produce help, education, knowledge, motivation, and dreams. And I produce for my students and my colleagues and let them consume them to produce their dreams. I think I'm good at language arts and I like teaching. That is the reason why I'm an English teacher and I'm aware of the digital era in which we are in, and I'm fond of using media in the classroom. In addition, I like thinking outside the box and challenging students in my lessons. I love to hear my students and I am proactive rather than being reactive, and avoiding problems is always better than solving them. Besides these essential teaching characteristics, I've been learning about different cultures and bringing them into my life. Not only is English the lingua franca, but it's also the gate to the big world water, which can be considered as an ocean. And today, every individual swims in the same water. I want my people, my friends, my colleagues, and my students take their part in this world. If I love doing this, it means I have already reached the middle. My effort is to complete the rest with my training, and I have been a good teacher so far. Why don't I get better?